Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay.
And you?
Yes, I'm fine. Alhamdulillah. Where are you from?
From Thailand. My mom is Kurdi.
Turkey.
Kurdi.
Oh, Kurdi.
Yeah.
The Iranian. Kurdi?
No, Iraqi.
Iraqi. Okay. But that's why you looks like Arab. And a very good skill. She is a very skilled chef. তো আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি যে এখানে অবশ্যই যে হালাল শর্মা যে এখানে তারা সাইন লাগিয়ে দিয়েছে। নাইস টেস্ট।